Hello and welcome to continuation of my video about this Roksan ROK-DP1 CD transport. Extremely nice player and unique in many ways. For starters, it is made of timber. All that is timber, and it's a top loader as well. As you can see, it's got a fancy thing that pops it up, and the first chassis is, as you see, it's a suspended like jelly, the mechanism of 4 springs. Then there is a second chassis there, and then there's a third one here that's suspended as well, as you see, on rubber balls. So it's all mechanically damped, and of course timber is much carries less vibration than any metal. So that's one thing that's unique: the suspension, the timber, and also well, it has a few quirks. It's a top loader with this mechanism. After the services, it plays CDRs and CDs. As you've seen, it was a CDR. I'll play a couple of tones. It doesn't read table of contents that fast to start with. As you see, it took its time, but once the read, it is pretty responsive. It reads, obviously, it will read all that, and no problem. Press play. So it interpolates a signal well. This is my purposely faulty disk with errors in the data layer and black dots there. Okay. So that's all, folks. Probably will be available for sale, unless I like it that much that I'll keep it for myself. I'm tossing between a Sony CDP338 ESD, a Pioneer DP71, and this. I just don't know which one to keep for my transport duties. But it's a real beauty, top condition, perfect square wave on the output. You know, there aren't many of them because they are hard to service. You have to take it all apart to get to clean the switches or replace the belt. So that's why a lot of them probably perished. But it's certainly a quality unit. Thank you very much for your attention again, and till next time. I just like this mechanism and the way it plays. It actually is much out of the case. It's much more fun than it is there. Okay, and it's almost perfect condition. I mean, there's like an odd blemish, like there's, I don't know, some kind of stain. I don't know if you can see or not, but you know, the front panel is almost perfect, you know, and it's exceptionally good condition. Okay, bye-bye.